Namaste, beautiful, beautiful Gemini souls. This is your medium for tarot guidance, welcoming all the beautiful Gemini souls on my YouTube channel, White Tarot Reading. And today we are here for the monthly predictions for the month of March 2021. So without ado, let's explore and dive into the events which you're going to experience following the month of March. The first energy I have is the Six of Pentacles. So money knocking at your doors in the month of March, beautiful souls. And Six of Pentacles is bringing in a lot of investments and financial gains through your hidden communicative talents, right? Your communication souls will crack all your deals, and you are getting financial support from outstanding institutes. And if you have any debts, if you have any loans to be cleared, the initiation will begin in the month of March, and you will be able to come out of all your debts, beautiful souls. So that will be March is bringing in financial stability for the beautiful Gemini ascendants to begin with. That's very wonderful. The next energy we have is the Empress, which is the card from the Major Arcana, and this is talking about, if you're a man, this is talking about the health of your wife, your woman. And if you are expecting for a good news related to children, that is on cards fall in the month of March. Pregnancies, healthy deliveries, and healthy maternal health is been promised through the Three of Pentacles. So the month of March is bringing you good news related to your next generation, children, kids, prosperity of the health of the mother. And this is also bringing in an energy that this is the time to harvest rewards of all your hard work, beautiful souls. And the March is going to be the most comfortable month, and you will be enjoying the month of March through the air, right? You will enjoy the month of March through the air, right? So that is an indication that your health will improve in the month of March. So good health promised in the month of March. And the last energy I have here is the Judgment. Wow. So this is again one more major card. So month of March is not in your hands, but in the hands of the placements of your stars, your birth stars. So double X, that means end of all the negativity and beginning of all the positivity, beautiful souls. Judgment is in your favor. Your archangels, your ancestor guides, everybody is blessing you, and they are bringing you the judgment for you, which will prevail your personal, professional, and your physical, mental health, right, beautiful souls? So judgment is bringing in the feeling of being reborn, because a birth, rebirth, childbirth is indicated here. And when you give birth to a child, when you have a child in your life, it's like you feel as if you are born again. So this is bringing in the same energies, and you will able to explore the new potential opportunities, and this will bring in the opportunities which you have missed, right? They will knock back at your doors. So that is the power of judgment. That is the power of blessings of your ancestor guides, of your spirit guides. And if you have ignored any of the opportunities, you will start rethinking to work on them. And this decision which you are going to make in the month of March regarding your professional life especially will affect your whole life. That will structure your life. How financially will you be able to bring that stability or not? So be smart, be wise. Somehow you have to not struggle much, because the blessings sent by your ancestor spirit guides, your angels, the gods, the god or god which you believe is so strong that you will take the right decision, and that will affect your whole life. And I am very hopeful that the month of March will begin your financial stabilities, which will be manifested for long time in your life, beautiful souls. So beautiful Gemini ascendants, charity is the mantra for the beautiful souls for the month of March. So little amount of your earnings should go into charity, and charity essentially does not mean that you need to socialize, you need to publish your charity on social media. Charity is when you give something with your right hand to your left hand. It should be like done quietly, secretively, right? Then only the charity will become fruitful. So beautiful Gemini ascendants, the month of March is bringing you financial stability because you are being blessed by your ancestral spirit guides and your archangels. Good news related to children, so everything happy coming for you, and you can multiply this happiness, this prosperity, this abundance through a little bit of charity. So beautiful Gemini ascendants, with the blessings of your archangel or guardian angel, Archangel Zadkiel, you know that this is going to resonate because your heart instinct is connecting you to this readings. So beautiful Gemini ascendants, until next time, take good care of yourselves. Astu and Namaste.